Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on which part of the world you are in. I am trying to set this up here. I just did a recording. I am working on one screen. Oh man, I do not even know how people can do it. And it's really strange because we have all, I'm sure, learned from just one screen. So it's a little bit crazy, a little ridiculous, but it is what it is. We exploit ourselves and then we find ourselves in weird situations. But today I am recording from Colorado. I am away at my sister in law's. I came out to bring my mother in law to come and stay with her for a little bit and also to celebrate her birthday. So I am starting this a little early, not to mention we are 2 hours later. Um, but here I am, and I hope everybody hears me okay. And I hope that I am recording, and it looks like I am. I need to put that into my brain. Don't forget to record. It's just that there's different ways to record. And the one that I pick has not been the one. So anyway, I apologize. So hello and welcome all to Coffee Chat and Connect with Maria. So today, week six, it's about Thrive. 10 ways to create a life you love, not just one you survive. And for the most part, that's where we have all been, trying to survive and make things happen because they just happen. So I'm so grateful and thankful that you are here today to share this with me. Uh, as I've always say, uh, this is about you, but I learned so much from learning and doing these trainings that it's not even a training. To me, it's just a conversation that we're having. This is the reason why my Wednesdays went from midweek empowerment week to Maria's living room, because I feel that this is just like we're learning together. So, but for our coffee chat, grab your favorite coffee, your tea, your lemonade, or whatever brings you comfort. And let's spend the next few minutes investing in the most important person in your life, you. Over the last few weeks, we've been on a journey together. We've learned how to reset our lives without shame, release what no longer serves us, rebuild our confidence, renew our habits, rise stronger. And today, we arrive at the destination, thrive. Because, my friend, God didn't create us to simply survive life, He created us so we could live, so we could live it. So for us, life becomes about making it to Friday, or it has been that way. Making the next payment, getting through another doctor's appointment, another family challenge, another setback, another disappointment. Uh, we become experts at surviving because that's where life takes us, unfortunately and sadly. Uh, but somewhere along the way, we forget how to dream, how to laugh, how to enjoy life, how to wake up excited. And today isn't about becoming perfect, it's about remembering that you deserve joy. You deserve joy too. Why not? So, we're going to go start with our list. And that takes us to number one, know your why, which is important. And a lot of times, this is what we need to know this in order to be able to pull ourselves back. Your why is what's always going to keep you, because we're human. We're going to sometimes just like walk around nature and forget our why. So, this is knowing your why will bring you back. When you know your why, you're doing, why you're doing something, you stop quitting every time life gets hard. Your why becomes stronger than your excuses. Ask yourself, what kind of life do I truly want to create? Not the life everyone else expects, the one you want. Don't forget life pillars, your mindset, your health, your financial wellness, your relationships. Love intentionally. Why not? Let's keep our minds on this. But they should all have something that has to do with you. Number two, choose yourself without feeling guilty. This one is hard, especially for caregivers, for parents, for grandparents, people who always put everyone else first. Chooses choosing yourself isn't selfish. It's stewardship. You cannot pour from an empty cup. When you become healthier, everyone around you benefits. When you become happy, everyone around you is happy too. It's a good energy. So it transfers. When you walk into a room and you have this pus on your face, people that are laughing look at you like, what's wrong with her? What's wrong with him? And they kind of get that energy. So happiness is a very strong energy, but so is angry, sad. Let's choose happiness. Number three, set intentions instead of just completing tasks. Most people live by their calendar. Thriving people live by intention. Instead of asking, what do I have to do? What do I have to get today? Ask, what do I want to become today? That one question will change everything. Number four, your peace is valuable. I'm sorry, number four, create healthy boundaries. We went over this one. Your peace is valuable. Your time is valuable. Your energy is super valuable. Every yes to something is a no to something else. Sometimes loving people means saying no without guilt. No guilt. Because don't forget, saying yes to someone is saying no to yourself for something else, for the most part. Keep growing. Number five. The moment we stop learning, we stop growing. Read books, take classes, watch trainings, ask questions, stay curious. Why not? Growth keeps hope alive, keeps the brain going, not to mention. I truly believe that's one reason we're all here today, together every week, because we want to grow a little bit more, because we want to give our soul a little bit of more hope. We It's just fun. It's just life. And sometimes it's just something that it helps us with our daily spirit, our daily excitement. Number six, surround yourself with people who lift you higher. The people around us influence our future. Choose people who encourage, people who challenge you, who celebrate your victories. That's huge. Who tells you the truth with love. Community matters, by the way. That's exactly why Rise and Thrive with Success exists. That's why we're here. We look out for you. There's a plane going right above. You might be hearing that. I'm sorry if you cannot hear me. I hope you still can. So, no one should have to grow alone. Grow with us. Share your wins. Number seven, find joy in the little things. One thing I've learned, joy isn't found expensive vacation. It isn't found in ordinary moments. What it's found, I'm sorry, it's found in ordinary moments. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. But watching the sunset, watching the beautiful flowers, look behind me. Look how beautiful that is. I come here in the morning and I love to just look at those colors. We have hummingbirds that come out in the morning, and oh my God, that brings so much joy and happiness to my heart. Finding a beautiful shell, finding a beautiful rock, nature. Oh my God. Yesterday we went to Buffalo Creek and I found so many beautiful rocks. I can't wait to share. I'm going to share them in the community so you can see how beautiful they are. Listening to birds, wow. Sitting down with having coffee with friends, with family, with loved ones, hugging your grandbabies. Oh, that's so, oh, I love hugging. I'm a hugger. I am a hugger. It brings so much joy to my heart. Those little moments become life's greatest treasure. Don't miss don't miss them while chasing a bigger thing. Sometimes we go chasing bigger things and we start missing those special moments. Stop for a second and just like inhale those moments. Number 8, take aligned actions. Dreams are wonderful. We all dream, but action changes lives. You don't need giant steps. You need consistent ones. One phone call, one application, one workout, one chapter that you read, one video that you watch, one prayer, one conversation that you have with someone. Small steps become amazing journeys. Number 9, celebrate progress. Stop waiting until you've arrived. Celebrate how far you've already come. When you're in that plane, I get it. Hook, destiny. Enjoy the journey. Stop for a second and look at those clouds. They're amazing. Celebrate how far you've already come. Every step that you take, it's a new step forward. You survived things that once made you believe you couldn't, but you are. You're stronger than you realize. Growth deserves recognition, even the little ones. Celebrate every victory. Every small one counts. Every big ones, of course, but the little ones that take you there, of course, they count. Why not? Number 10, live with gratitude. Gratitude doesn't ignore life's struggles. It uh, simply refuses to let them have the final word. Every morning, ask yourself, okay, what are 3 things I'm thankful for today? What happened yesterday? Or what am I doing in a minute that I'm so happy to do? Gratitude changes perspective. Perspective changes attitude, and your attitude changes life. Believe it or not. Okay, so this week's challenge. I want you to choose one thing from today's list. Not all 10, just one. Practice it every day this week. And I would love it if next week, tomorrow, Wednesday, in Maria D's living room, you share with us. I love for you to share which one changed you. Sometimes one small habit becomes the beginning of a complete different life. So, as we finish today's conversation, I want to leave you with this thought. Some people spend years waiting for life to become easier before they decide to be happy. Don't wait. Choose joy now. Choose growth. Choose hope. Choose you. Remember, you are not here just to survive. You are here to thrive. So thank you for spending this time with me. Thank you for watching the replay. Please do look for the workbook. I am the worksheet. I'm going to put it in now with this one. I'm going to put it in tomorrow. I'm heading out in a few minutes. Um, so if today's conversation encouraged you, I'd love for you to share it with someone who needs to hear this message, someone who needs the help thriving. And if you're part of this call, if you're part of this community, Rise and Thrive with Success family, I'll see you tomorrow, Wednesday, in Maria D's living room call, where there, where there's always an empty seat waiting for you, not only for you, but for someone that you want to bring with you, for whoever wants to join. So have an amazing week, my friend, and keep rising, keep thriving, and never stop believing that your best chapter is still ahead. Your best chapter, you're still writing your best chapter. And take the negative for a positive. Sometimes things just need to happen, and it's okay. That's why we are here. That's why we are surviving. So, blessings to you, blessing to your loved ones. And I will see you tomorrow in Maria's living room call.